if you don't know where I am. Just above Smith's Dock. Down there's the harbour. And I'm just going to go through these bushes. It's a little bit exciting. It's a bit of an adventure. I've not been here before. I've been told that I need to get here and go through there. Light down there. Somebody who knows what they're doing might be able to ask for some help and some guidance. Never fished here, so it'll be interesting. The good lads just told me that they've been fishing this spot where I am and they've had dozens of fish. Watch me cast over the top of them. I'll probably put one rod out shorter, just so I don't know whether they cast far or not, and one out a bit further. Fingers crossed to catch some fish. I'm gonna get a hell of a fireworks display anyway. It's Bonfire Night. Yeah, that's fireworks. Nobody's being shot, not that I'm aware of. So, hey, first for me. Looking forward to it. Smorgasbord tonight. We have cart wings, baby squid, black lug. Probably start with black lug on a 2-hook flapper. Hopefully get my confidence catching a fish. Then I'll probably put out a cart wing, probably with squid as well. First rod in, and literally I've just cast it in and I'm getting knocked straight away. I've got circle hooks on, so I'm just going to see if it becomes something more significant first. It's starting to look significant straight away, like. I might just fish one rod in. Carries in like this. There's definitely something there. I think we'll bring it. Go. First fish, let's see what it is. It's on the circle hook, so it'll come off easily. A little cod then. View the fireworks in South Shields there. That's where I'd normally go, but I just thought there'd be too many people there. Hopefully I've made a good choice. Started off well. Getting bites again. Another codling again. So that was good going. 2 bites, 2 fish. We're in again. Star up there, it's pretty. See what happens. It's gone really well so far. The only problem I've got is the boat's coming really close to this point. So I've got to be careful when I'm casting, because needless to say, I'm casting a bit further than them. And some of them are lit up like a Christmas tree, and some don't have any lights at all, which makes it a bit more dangerous again. So we're getting little knocks on the rod with the crab on. Can't. Not had anything for 15 minutes on the black lug, so I might change that over. Make sure there's some fresh bait going out all the time. Right, so looks like my camera needs a bit of a clean, but back out again. Both rods, just sorting out the black lug. I've cast it in closer because that's where I got the first 2 bites. That third cast put it out a bit far, so I brought it back in. See what happens. Sure, that's a flare and not a firework. In fact, I'm certain it is. Someone set a flare off for some reason. Really feels like these boats get a lot bigger. They're a lot nearer to us on this side than they are on the other. Come a lot nearer. So that means we're fishing into deep water there actually. Probably explains why I'm catching more here than I'm catching over the other side. It's 8 o'clock and South Shields big display's just started. It's always a good show over there. We must have something going on one of these. Right. It's the black lug, stroke black lug and squid one. Seems to have gone quiet again. Oh, maybe not. I've got to remind myself I've got circle hooks on there, so I've no need to go chasing it down and grab the rod straight away. The fish do tend to hook themselves on it. Back to the fireworks for now. Oh, they seem to be over again. Pretty sure it's going to be a bit... Well, fireworks are getting less, still quite a lot of them, and that's because it's coming up to 9 o'clock and the high tide is 8:59. I know, precise. I would have said 9 o'clock, but then I'm not an expert in these things. Now the bites have really slowed down. I'm getting knocks on the big rod, whatever that is, big rod, which has got squid and carp on. The black lug has, I'm really not doing well here, the black lug rod has definitely slowed down a bit. So, I think we'll stay a little bit longer, see if it improves with the tide turning, which is due in the next 20 minutes or so. Huge boat going out here. Ship, I should say. I think these are the cables that they lay across the bottom of the ocean. It's now 9 o'clock. The tide will start turning. I'm hoping we get some bites soon. It started off so well, and then it's gone so quiet so quickly. We had a lot more bites, but not making contact. So, are we going to get anything in the next hour? Because I think I'm going to go at 10. It's after high tide, and I've just had a bite on the what was the cart rod. I've changed that now to just a pulley rig with a 2/0 circle hook with black lug on. Go home soon. I really expected brilliant things. First 2 casts, 2 fish. Everything was going well, and then it's gone rubbish. All I'm hearing are reports of how many fish people caught, but there were some other guys fishing near me and they said they caught loads earlier, and it went quiet soon after I arrived. Maybe I am the curse. I've had some more bites, some more knocks, but nothing making serious contact, so I don't know if the shoal that was here has just moved off or it's just been hammered so much. Must be a big shoal. Can't have been hammered too much. I think they might have just moved area. There we go. Getting another knock now. We're getting these, but I'm not getting fish. Maybe the tide needs to be moving through a bit faster. Maybe that's the problem. Right. We'll see if that turns into one. But yeah, gonna have to go soon. I hope it's not been too boring for you. Lots of fireworks anyway. Please like and subscribe. I am approaching 800 subscribers, which is ridiculous. I can't believe that that's happened. Thank you very much. If you want to comment, please do. I always welcome the comments. And well, here's to another session soon when hopefully I'll catch more fish.